Want to impress your guests without spending hours in the kitchen? Watch this. One bite of these ribs and everyone will be asking how you made them. Wash your baby potatoes until they are perfectly clean. Then slice them into rustic wedges. Season them with salt, paprika, granulated garlic, and a drizzle of vegetable oil. Give everything a good toss until every potato is coated with flavor. Now, season the pork ribs with salt and black pepper. Then place them right on top of the potatoes. Put them into air fryer at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. While everything is roasting, let's make the glaze. Use some honey, soy sauce and mustard. Mix everything well. And you will receive a glossy sauce that's about to transform your ribs. After 20 minutes, pull out the basket, toss the potatoes, and generously brush every rib with that sweet and savory glaze. Put everything back for the final 5 minutes. And now, look at this! Golden, crispy potatoes with fluffy centers. Good luck at stopping at just one bite. Trust me, once this hits the table, your guest will be asking for the recipe before the dinner is over.